In today's video, I want to show you 2 ways to make an image maze puzzle. You might have seen my previous video on regular square mazes, but on today's video, we are going to create shaped mazes like this. If you haven't been here before, my name is Anna and I am here to help you create high quality, low content KDP books in the simplest way. As always, before we start, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and smash that notification bell. Thank you. So like always, before we start creating our book, I'd like to review a sample book. Before we jump to calculating the earnings, I want to explain why I'm doing this. So the only reason I review a sample book and calculate its earning at the beginning of my videos is to give you guys a perspective of the potential of the niche. For example, maybe after realizing a niche can make $3,000 per month at its best, you decide not to invest your time on it. Or on the contrary, if it's a very high earning niche, you might decide to spend more time on your designs, or even hire a professional designer for your book. Remember, all of the numbers are real, and all of the books can be created by people like you and me. If you feel you're not good on drawing, hire a professional on Fiverr or try niches that don't need any drawing or design, like puzzle books or log books. For today's sample book, I choose this one. So on the previous video, we learned how to create a maze like this one. But on today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a maze like this. And let's also see how much this book is making per month. So this book costs $6.99 and has 83 pages. And bestsellers rank is 1,824. So based on Amazon royalty calculator, royalty is $2.05, and based on TCT publishing, this author sells 1,424 books per month. This means this author makes more than $3,000 per month. Okay, let's start. The first thing we will need is a simple silhouette image. For our example, I use this simple cat image. Then we are gonna head to lunapic.com, and on top left hand, you can click on upload and upload the image. Once it's uploaded, go to effects and click on Lego style right here. Now save the image and open your Illustrator. Drag and drop your image to Illustrator. And in order to change all of these gray cells to black, go to Object, Image Trace, and then make and expand. Now our image is converted to a vector image. I also want to remove the background. So go to the Shape Builder tool, or you can simply hit Shift and M, and now press Alt and remove the background. Now I'm going to create a grid. Right click on the line and choose the rectangle grid tool. Click on the page and put 39 for both horizontal and vertical divider. Now adjust the size of the grid so that every square of your image fits into one of the grid cells. And let's also change the stroke size to 1 pixel. Now to remove these parts of the grid, we are going to use the shape builder again. So like before, hit Shift and M, and then when you're pressing Shift and Alt, draw on your grid. Once you remove all unnecessary cells, click on your pen tool or hit B on your keyboard, and we're going to draw our main path. I also like to change the color to something more noticeable, like orange, green, blue, or anything else. Once you draw your main path, we are going to create it with removing the cells and we are going to use Shape Builder again. So once again, hit Shift and M, and while you're pressing Alt, draw on your path. Now we are going to create other paths likewise to just confuse the user. Once you created all of your paths on your maze, now we want to add a stroke track background image. So to do this, go to Window and choose Appearance, and then on the toolbox click on these three lines and choose Add New Stroke, and increase the stroke as you like. So with this method you can create this type of shape mazes. But if you don't like how the image looks like, I have another method for you. This one is more time consuming, but the results is much better. For this one, I'm going to use Photoshop, but you can also use any other graphic design software you like. So for this one, we need an outline image like this, and then I'm going to remove these white sections and these lines. Now add a new layer and we're going to create our main path. I can do this in two ways. You can either draw straight lines like before, or draw curved lines with a freehand pen. Let me show you how to create straight lines with a pen tool on Photoshop. So first place a dot whenever you want to start your line, and then while pressing your Shift key, go to the point you want to end your line and left click. You can create your whole maze like this. Let me hide this layer just for a second, and I want to show you the second type. For this one, with a pen tool, draw curved lines like this. No matter which type of lines you're choosing for your maze, don't forget to add other dead-end lines to your maze, just to confuse the user. Once you're happy with your lines, create another layer, change your color to black, and draw a line between every green lines that you see. Now hide the layer for green lines, and you can add more lines if you like. And that's it. You can also add a start and end here like this, or draw two lines to make it obvious where to start and finish. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you. Let me know in comment sections if you had any questions, and if you'd like me to continue reviewing the earning of the bestseller book at the beginning of my video. In the end, if you liked this video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and also smash that notification bell. See you all on the next video, and bye bye.